Before we get started, I want to be clear. Everything on this channel is for informational and personal growth purposes only. Nothing here should be considered financial advice. The tech sector keeps pushing higher, AI stocks are surging, and the S&P 500 is sitting near all-time highs. Naturally, all investors are asking the same two questions. Where is the opportunity right now? And what stocks are still trading at attractive valuations despite the overheated market? If you are someone who is interested in adding some stocks to your watch list, or you're having a hard time navigating what stocks to purchase right now, this video is for you. My name is Garrett Crow. I am a finance major at Washington State University and an active stock and ETF trader. In 2025, my portfolio had an annual ROI of 49%. When I first started my portfolio, I made it my goal to grow it to 7 figures. So if you do want to follow me on my 7-figure journey, make sure to subscribe. And for daily short form stock analysis content, make sure you check out my Instagram and or TikTok. In today's video, I will be going over 3 stocks outside the tech sector that I am currently increasing my position in within my portfolio. Let's dive in. First, I want to talk about gold, ticker GLD. So far this trading week, precious metals have been getting bought up, and GLD has slowly been gaining some bullish momentum. When we take a look at GLD's 6-month chart, it sold off aggressively due to the Iran war. Then, as you can see, it sort of built a bottom, got a little bit of bullish momentum, then sold off a bit. Now, on that sell-off is where I increased my gold position within my portfolio. And then subsequently, it got a little bit more bullish momentum. And it's looking like we might be near the beginning of an upwards trending chart on the more significant time frames. Typically, gold is considered a more conservative investment. So having some GLD in my portfolio provides me some stability, which I really enjoy because, majority of my portfolio is in growth stocks. So, a lot of my investments are very volatile. They go up and down very frequently. So having a nice stable position in gold is exactly what I feel my portfolio needs. Second, let's take a look at Carnival Cruise Line, ticker CCL. When we take a look at CCL's 6-month chart, it also has sold off quite aggressively, primarily due to oil prices ascending. Cruise lines obviously use a significant amount of oil. Now, because the stock, in my opinion, is undervalued, I decided to increase my position within my portfolio to make my cost basis a little bit lower so I can exit the position a little bit sooner. Now, me wanting to dilute my position within my portfolio sooner doesn't necessarily imply I'm bearish on the company. In fact, I'm not. I'm still very bullish. But, decreasing my cost basis is really going to help me manage this position more effectively. But looking forward, if the war with Iran concludes somewhat soon and gas prices begin to descend, I can see Carnival recovering just fine. Third, I want to talk about Core Mining, ticker CDE. Now, if you're unfamiliar with CDE, it is essentially a silver and gold mining company. So it's heavily influenced by precious metals, but it's actually a company, which I really like. And compared to a lot of the other stocks on my watch list, CDE is one of the cheaper ones, sitting around $20 a share. Likewise to gold, the stock has had a aggressive sell-off due to the Iran war. It built a base, had a bullish run, sold off a bit, and now it looks like it's starting to rebound and start an upwards trend. Now, CDE is the one of these 3 stocks I haven't already increased my position in within my portfolio, but I am looking to increase my position from about 4% to about 6% sometime either this trading week or the next. In conclusion, gold, Carnival Cruise Line, and Core Mining are some of my favorite stocks outside the AI sector that I'm currently investing in. While a lot of investors' attention is primarily focused on the AI sector, tech sector, with a lot of these AI stocks increasing like some 50% in the last month. I still believe there are other stocks outside of this sector that have a lot of opportunity and room to run. I want to show my appreciation for those who made it to the end of the video. If you did, comment down below Green Bush, and I'll make sure to like your comment. If you did enjoy, make sure to subscribe. And for daily short form stock analysis content, make sure you check out either my TikTok or Instagram or both. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day. Thank you.